Hi gorgeous, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do press-on nail tutorials, but for today's video I am doing a review of Madam Glam's polishes. To keep this video short, I'm going to put the names of all the polishes on the screen while I talk about some of the things that I noticed in my review of them. Okay, so starting off, I want to talk about their VIP program because that's what I had signed up for. Long story short, the VIP program, you basically get the polishes for 50% off, and you have access to the newest collections and newest gels and stuff. You have early access to those. And then you have free US shipping. And so you will be charged $29 every month, and that will automatically be turned into store credit. And with this store credit, you can buy products on the website anytime. The store credits don't expire, and they also add up. So if you don't buy any products 1 month, that store credit will keep adding up until you actually make another purchase or cancel or pause the subscription. So it just keeps adding up. Personally, to me, I feel like it's kind of weird because you're just paying $29 up front to get the same product and the same experience that the regular customers do. So the regular people who don't have the VIP or anything like that pays $20 per polish, around $20 per polish. With the VIP, you pay around $10 per polish. So that was kind of weird to me because you were essentially giving them $30 a month ahead of time to be able to get the polishes half off. So that's, really the only difference between being a regular customer and being a VIP customer is that you're giving them $30 up front every month, whether you buy something or not. So aside from the VIP, I don't know, I find it's not really something that I'm necessarily excited to have, or a membership that I would want to keep using every single month, just because I really don't see a huge benefit in it, especially giving them $30 every month. But aside from that, when I got the polishes, they smelled very sweet. I don't know if any of you guys have their polishes, but if you do, comment down below if they smell kind of sweet to you. But they don't smell like regular gel polishes. Another thing that I noticed is that they have very good quality control. So sometimes when I buy polishes from other brands, they'll have lint and little weird pieces of stuff, or they're marbling. These didn't have any of that. They were all completely fine. The consistency is very creamy, so I would recommend using a high wattage lamp just because they are kind of on the thicker side. And to do thin coats. Another thing about their website is that the colors are much darker on the website than they are in person. So that is something else that I did notice. So it could be kind of deceiving. So with the two neon greens that you've seen earlier, Mother Nature's was a little bit darker on my computer than it was in person. It was kind of like this regular green color, your standard green color that you think about in your mind when you think of green. But when I got it, it came more so kind of a neon green. And then so I kind of noticed even with all the other polishes, even though that one had the biggest difference in color from the website, the other ones also had a shade color difference too. And also even kind of on the bottles, the colors that they have like on the cap and stuff and on the labels is a little bit darker than what they actually are in person. But overall, all the colors are really cute. I will be purchasing more polishes from them in the future. My previous video and the next 2 videos that I'll make after this will have some of these polishes in them. So if you want to see these colors have their own kind of video, I guess, you could check out the latest videos and then the previous one to this. So I'll have 2 more videos after this one, and then I have one that's already up, which is the video before this one. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe.